your creamy tiger nut juice. Welcome again to Crystal's World. Hello, my returning subscribers. I love you. Thank you so much. If this is the first time here, please do well to subscribe to my channel. So, making tiger nut drink today. So to begin, you get your dry tiger nuts and soak for 24 to 72 hours, depending on how much time you've got. I always prefer the dry ones, they are tastier. Then you'll be needing your dates. You deseed them just like this. Open them and remove the seed. This is what the seed looks like. This is what an undeseeded dried dates look like. I prefer the dry ones too because they are tastier. Then some ginger. Yes, for this we're using just 3 ingredients. Then you also be needing your cheesecloth that you use to sieve out the juice after blending. So let's begin. So these your tiger nuts ready to be blended, well soaked enough for your blender. So you go in and impute some into your blender, just the amount your blender can take at a go. Then you add some dates that should go with the amount of tiger nuts you've put in there. Then you also put in some ginger to taste, not too much because it can be bitter when it's much. Then you now put in some water covering the tiger nuts because you really need it to be very creamy when blending. Also helps your blending. And you go ahead to blend until it is smooth, just like this, as smooth as much as you can. Yeah, here we go. So it's ready to be sieved. Pour it into a bowl or a pot, any container at all that you have. Repeat the process for all the tiger nuts till you are done. Yes, keep blending and pouring into the same bowl till you are done. So this was the quantity I had for that amount of tiger nut. So now if your bowl is big enough, you can mix it in there, pour enough water to begin to mix. But mine was not so big to allow for the mixing, so I had to be doing it in bits. So you rinse your blender and pour the water into the bits you've kept aside. So you add water to the blended tiger nut, not too much so it doesn't lose its taste, something enough to still give you that creamy juice. So add water and then turn it to make sure that chaff is well separated from juice. Then you go ahead and sieve using your cheesecloth. So transfer your mixture into the sieve cloth and sieve. Keep pressing it till you've gotten all your juice and your juice is well separated from the chaff. You really want to give this a trial, I tell you. Tiger nuts has got a lot of benefits. If you are not seeing, this is one of the natural drinks you can take to enhance breast milk flow. If you're also expecting to say that tiger nut dates has a way of quickening labor. So this is the chaff gotten from meat. There are several other things you can use the chaff for. That will be video for another day. So but for now, this is the chaff. So after sieving, you separate the chaff from the juice and keep it aside. So here we go. This is how your juice looks like. Very creamy and delicious, ready to take. You can now bottle and refrigerate and take when it's cold, or you take immediately. So yes, this is it. This was the quantity I made from that quantity. If you be making so much that you can't finish at a go, please freeze them. They get bad really quickly. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and please subscribe to my channel if this is the first time here. Thank you. Bye.